A software-based smart solution for
Yes.
automated fluid treatment.
Treatment.
Now, usually fluid treatment and software don't go that well, and I think here it has. Explain to me what happened.
Actually, what is that? Is that we use the control system, right? So we use the control system to control, to filter some of the substances. So basically, what it is, right, is that we're kind of filtering a dirty substance from here, right? And it goes through here, it comes to the solenoid valve, and the solenoid valve opens up, and it comes through here to the filter where it's all get filtered. And when it gets filtered, it comes down here. So the clean water basically comes here. Right, so that's where it is. So the main thing is that everything is being done through a web app. You can use a web app, or you can control it from your phone.
Wow. So why would it need software in water treatment? Because, well, you know, as an end user, I think, okay, I have dirty water, and I have to purify it for a purpose. I have to remove the substrate, or what do you call
the substance, yeah?
and the software is allowing you to do or accomplish what specific task?
Actually, what the software is doing is that you see there's a lot of components here. So what the software is doing is that we're controlling these components from the software.
The components from the software?
Yeah, from the software. So basically, this solenoid valve is not going to open itself for the liquid to flow.
You can control it from your machine, from your laptop.
Machine. Yeah. So and we also build a web app, which Jessica can tell you about.
Yeah, sure. We designed a web app using HTML5, so it can be accessed through any HTML5 enabled browser. So your smartphone, your tablet, your PC. And what this does is it removes the need for a local operator at a treatment facility. So you can still have a local operator, but our project removes the need for one, and you can remotely operate the system from anywhere.
Would you have any of the demos running now?
Yeah, we can make a demo for you.
Any demo, that's fine.
Yeah, we can make a demo for you. Like basically, you can see the actual design. This is an AutoCAD design, right? But what we had to do is that we have to use a laser printing to bring out the design on the board, right? So you can see what's happening here. You can see the two. This is a tank 1, this is a tank 2, right? So the substance we want to filter goes in here, right? So as soon as everything is being operated from the operator, which we builded, the water channels down here and get filters here. So when you get filters here, the clean water now comes here. So
And the application, the software allows you to control this valve.
it controls everything. Every component you see here, like this, the solenoid valve, the float switch, the software all control everything, even though the DC pumps. You know, so we have to turn on the DC pumps for the water to channel through this pipe.
You can even control pumps.
We can control the pumps. So everything is being controlled from the software we created.
Perfect. Before it would be done manually, and I think the limitation is,
Yeah.
say, as an operator, you are far away from your workplace,
Yeah.
or say you have noticed a discrepancy and you have to make an urgent.
You can even control it
Control?
from your phone. Also, and also, anytime there's a fault, anytime there's a fault, right? Maybe for instance, we're doing the filtration process, right? And there's an overflow of water, right? It's shut down automatically. You understand? There's a float switch in here. So what this float switch does is that it gives a beep sound, or it sends an email to the operator that there's a fault in the system, that the system needs to be shut down. And we're going to show you a little process when it turns
When the
on.
demo turns on.
Yeah.
Wow. And you know, this type of large project would take, you know, many years. When did you start? And
We started
tell me some of the
We
challenges.
started a long time ago. Actually, this project that you're seeing right now, consists of electrical, mechanical, and software. You understand? We used a lot of control system, knowledge of control system, because you can see the liquid, the substance in that bin cannot control itself. We have to control the substance, channel the whole substance going through the pipes and everything. So all these things need controls. So basically we're using 80% of the knowledge of controls to control the substance so they can be filtered.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And about funding, the university has been behind it.
Yeah. Actually, we got the funding from the university. So basically, we have to give this project back to the university because the university owns it.
That's sad, and that's also happy news, I guess.
Yeah, they can keep it,
That's good. And I wish you the best for the judging rounds later in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And
You can just